Let's find the approximate value for log 9.01 and given log 3 is equal to 1.0986. Now let y is equal to log x, delta x be a non-zero small increment of x and delta y the corresponding increment of y. Now y plus delta y is equal to log x plus delta x. 1, 2, solving 1 and 2 delta y is equal to log x plus delta x minus log x. And now dy by dx with delta x is equal to log x plus delta x minus log x. Now reason, dy is equal to dy by dx with delta x is equal to delta y. Now we are having log x plus delta x is equal to dy by dx with delta x plus log x. Now let's find the value for log x, log delta x and all these things. Now log 9.01 is equal to log 9 plus 0.01. Now this becomes now comparing with log x plus delta x, we are having x is equal to 9 and delta x is equal to 0.01. One thing, now log 9 is equal to log 3 square is equal to 2 log 3 and this is equal to 2 times log 3 is given 1.0986. So the value becomes 2.1972. Now let's put the values. Now we are having log 9.01 is equal to dy by dx of log x, x into delta x plus log x. D by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. Okay, so we were having y is equal to log x. Now dy by dx is equal to 1 by x. Now we are having 1 upon 9 with delta x. 0.01 plus log 9. Okay, so we are having now 0.01 upon 9 plus 2 log 9. Log 9 is 2.1972. 2.1972. And on solving, we are getting 2.1983 as answer. Okay. So finally we can write it now. Approximate value of log 9.01 is equal to 2.1983 answer. This is the answer. So for the log question we can solve like this one.